Hi everyone, welcome to my Casio fx-115ES calculator tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure to share and subscribe. Feel free to comment below the type of tutorial that you like to learn. Today, I'd like to share with you about decimal and fraction. How to convert between decimal display to fraction and vice versa. To display the result in decimal, you have to click this button right here, which is a S back and forth and the D arrow. And it can be, if you're in the fraction, it can be change it to the decimal and vice versa. Let's do a couple of examples right here. So let's say if you have a 5 divided by 6 and you have a 0.8333, to get to the decimal, click this button. Here you have 5 over 6. How about 3 plus 2 divided by 5? And here you have a 3.4, and you can change it to decimal by pressing this button right here, as back and forth equal arrow, and then D, click it. It's a 17 over 5. Another example is 2 multiply 3 divided 9, and they give you 0.666. And in order to get to a decimal, same, click this button. It gives you to a fraction. And you can click it again, it will give you back into a decimal point. And enter the press the equal sign, it will give you the whole decimal number. So let's talk about how to set up the final answer display in decimal and fraction in the calculator. So to set this up, let's do the following. First, click the shift and then go to the mode. And right here, you will see that number 1 with MthIO. And then you click that. And here you have two options, the format. Either you want to be the MathO or line O. I believe the O will be stand for output in this case. So let's say we want to display in the fraction. So we select number 1 here. And here is selected to be displayed in the fraction. Let's do a couple examples. Let's see how it's work out. So let's say you 5 divided by 6, right? And as you can see, he gives you a fraction right away. And you have a 3 plus 2 divided by 5. And he gives you a fraction right away. To change the decimal, simply just click this S to D button right here, 3.4. Same thing for 3 multiply 2 divided by 9. Will be 2 over 3. Click it. It's going to be 0.6. Okay, the equal sign. The top bar said that you're going to have more decimal at the back. And let's say you want to display in the decimal, you follow the same step. Go to shift, setup, or the mode, and then number 1, select number 2, and let's do an example again. 5 divided by 6, and here you display in the decimal rather than a fraction in this case. So what the option is that when you go to select number 1, the math input output, which is right here, and here if you select 1 for the format, the result will be in the fraction. If you select number 2, line O, which is the result will be in the decimal, and you can select either one that kind of fits your application here. Thank you for watching. I have posted a quick tip at below description. Feel free to comment and share. Remember to check out my other calculator tutorial. Have fun learning and applying.